Hey friends, welcome to Reshu House. This video is about the most awaited recipe, Karachi Biscuits. Let us know how to make it and start the process quickly. Firstly, take some sugar with 2 to 3 cardamoms and powder it. Here I have taken a small cup to measure all the dry and wet ingredients that I'm gonna add. This cup measures up to 100 grams. First add the powdered sugar to the bowl. Here I am taking nearly 3 cups of powdered sugar. You could adjust the sweetness according to your taste and preference. Now I am going to add 200 grams of butter. The butter should be at room temperature. Now friends, it is better if you take salted butter. If you don't have salted butter, add a half teaspoon of salt to the mixture. We should mix it well till the sugar blends with the butter. Take a whisker and beat it till the texture and the color is light. The mixture now seems hard. As we go on beating it, it becomes light in texture. It took nearly 10 to 12 minutes to beat it and make it light. Now add the all-purpose flour and corn flour. Both should be neatly sifted. After adding all the flour in 2 to 3 batches, remove the whisker and mix it well with your hand. Mixing the cookie dough should be very gentle with our fingers. It should not be like kneading the dough. While mixing the dough, add a teaspoon of rose water to the mixture. For smooth blending and dough formation, we can add some milk to the mixture. Now take the mixture into a tray and bind all of it together. Friends, Karachi biscuits are not from Karachi. Their origin is in India itself. But the man who made it is from Karachi and he got settled here in India. Wherever a recipe originates, there are no boundaries for food. Now our cookie dough is ready. Now let's add some tutti frutti to the dough. Karachi biscuits are nothing but a vegetarian formula where people use flour mixed with butter, sugar and tutti frutti with no eggs. We don't even need baking soda or baking powder for this recipe. Just a minimum amount of milk is needed for binding the dough properly. Now finally our Karachi cookie dough is ready. We can make the dough into different shapes before baking, like circle or square. Here I am trying to make the cookies into a square shape. Karachi cookies look beautiful when they are really small and nice. Guys, so if you make them into a 1 inch of length and width, they give you a nearly 2 inch of length and width when they are baked. So it's up to our choice that we can increase or decrease the size of the cookie. If the cookies are bigger before baking, it takes a lot of time for them to bake. So it's better if you keep your cookies small in size. Friends, we can make a dry fruit version of Karachi cookies also. While we are adding dry fruits to the dough, we should add a little more milk because the dry fruits that we are adding absorb the moisture of the dough. To prevent the dryness of the dough, add a little more milk to make it soft. Friends, baking Karachi cookies is really fun because when it is baking it gives a beautiful aroma which you will enjoy it definitely. Now I am making this dry fruit dough also into the square shape. After molding it, I'll put both the doughs into the fridge covered with a cloth so that it hardens and we can cut them properly into pieces of cookies. Now refrigerate them for 2 to 3 hours. Place the cut cookie pieces onto a greased plate. Make sure the plate is of aluminium metal. Now place that plate into the preheated BAJAJ VACCO oven. Please be careful while placing the plate into the oven, guys, because the oven is preheated and it will be very hot. Now close the lid and bake the cookies for nearly 25 to 30 minutes. The temperature for the cookies should be set at 180 degrees even for the preheating and also while baking. After 25 to 30 minutes, this is how the cookies looked. Take the cookies out of the oven carefully because they seem really soft and bendable while they are hot. Use tongs if necessary to remove them from the oven. It's quite a task removing the biscuits from the oven. Friends, if the cookies are more bigger as I'm showing you on the screen, please make sure you bake them for nearly 40 to 45 minutes. To reduce the time, it's better if you put the size of the cookies smaller. Repeat the process till you bake all the cookies. So it's very simple making Karachi cookies. Friends, I hope you liked this video. So give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and let us know your opinions and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and support us. Thank you for watching.